Yo, welcome back to another video.
We're in my Civic right now. We're on our way home. Oh, bro, y'all see that? Oh, bro, that's insane.
Oh, we gotta catch up now.
Where's he at, man? Oh, he's gone. He is gone. Yo, that was sick. I don't know where he at. Oh, there he is. Oh, there he is. There he is. Yo, nah, that thing is crazy. Nah, that's crazy, bro. Nah, we got to catch up to him now. We got to catch up to him now. Bro, I need this truck to move out my way.
Move out my way,
Bro. Oh, bro, nah, we can't be speeding, bro. This is crazy. Nah, that's insane. We're right behind him, bro. That's insane. Nah, that's better. Yo! Nah, bro. Nah. I ain't speeding up. Bro, that's insane. That man was gone. Yeah, I'm trying to keep up with him on 4-cylinder, bro. Nah, he's too far, bro. No way. All right. Yeah, I got a truck right behind me, bro. But I'm gonna chill though. I'm gonna just pull. Let him through. But yo, honestly, that car made my night. Seriously, it made my night. This truck was just like rolling, bro. It was a rolling. Nah, I'm gonna chill though. He's going slow just because. Okay. Yo, this thing is so fun, bro. Yo, first night, ain't gonna lie. Not first night, but you know, this night specifically was crazy. We run into that dude, and we kind of caught up to him, but he's crazy, bro. I mean, he'll probably run. I ain't running, bro. I ain't going nowhere with my 4-cylinder. But that was the coolest thing I seen tonight. Bro, that was sick, man. One day I'm gonna own a supercar. I don't know, man, but that old classic right there, that classic car. I don't know what kind of car it was. I don't know if y'all can kind of see it. Not sure if the camera caught it real good, but it almost looked like it's a SS or a Camaro something. Maybe not. But that was sick. That was real sick. But yeah, guys, this is another content. I can't talk. Oh my God, I'm just so excited. I'm just excited. That's what it is. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you all for stopping by. Hope y'all like this video. If y'all like it, please hit that like button and hit that bell and subscribe. I'm gonna try to upload, not really daily, but when I can, just because, you know, I do got a full-time job, and I'm also a father, so I do this when I ever have time, a little bit of time. I go and do some record. I'm also like on Instagram, boosted 11 Gen, it's XI, Roman numerals, and I also got a TikTok. If you guys want to follow me on TikTok, also let me know that you're from TikTok. Not from TikTok, I'm sorry, from YouTube, that you come from YouTube. I'm trying to grow my page. I'm trying to grow my social media. I'm trying to make some content. I'm trying to give this a try, honestly. As of now, you know, we're starting up, but hey, there's no giving up. There's ups and downs. Life is a roller coaster. But you know what? We're going to grind, hustle. We're going to do this. But yeah, thank you guys. Hit that like button if you enjoy this content. If you enjoy this night, hit that subscribe button as well. And yeah, take it easy. Drive safe. Peace.